90% of people always use D when driving an automatic car. Many people have never used N gear at all. If you drive like this, be careful, your gearbox will be scrapped early. N gear is idling gear. Many people think it is useless. This is so wrong. In fact, it hides 3 functions. I tell you today. First, when waiting for the traffic light, shift to D and press the brakes. Will cause the transmission oil temperature to rise, shorten the service life of the gearbox. We should put the gear in N. Second, many people will directly shift into P gear when parking. In this way, the stress points of the entire vehicle are concentrated on the locking gear of the gearbox. Will cause the gearbox to be scrapped prematurely. The correct way is to first shift the gear into N. Then pull the handbrake. Release the foot brake. Finally, shift the gear to P. This is the correct way to park an automatic car. Third, when the automatic transmission vehicle breaks down and needs to be towed, the gear must be put into N gear. Otherwise, the gearbox will be damaged. Have you learned it? Follow me. There are also 1000 car knowledge on the homepage.